Welcome to Guess That Idiom, the show where your wit is tested and your words come alive.
Time to show off my idiom IQ.
Time to show off how wrong you can be. Ooh, I know this one.
Don't say it, don't say it.
Get the ball rolling!
Correct. It means to start something. 1 point to Asha.
That's easy. Give someone the cold shoulder.
Just like how I treat your karaoke nights.
Go the extra mile. It means doing more than expected.
Like Raj on his first date, get cold feet.
Give someone a run for their money. I could beat you in a spelling bee.
With B spelled with 2 E's. Grin from ear to ear, just like Raj seeing free food.
Go down in flames, just like your baking skills.
Get your act together. You should try it sometime, Raj.
Give someone a piece of your mind. That's you on Mondays.
Get a taste of your own medicine. Karma, my old friend.
Go back to the drawing board. Been there with every New Year's resolution.
Get wind of something, like you hearing the popcorn pop.
Give it your best shot. I always do, except at dishes.
Go hand in hand, like your ego and bad jokes.
Get off on the wrong foot, like our first date at the dentist.
Idiom round.
In hot water, classic Raj moment.
In the same boat, like when both of us forgot Mom's birthday.
It's not rocket science, yet still impossible for you.
In the nick of time, like me running into the metro every morning.
In a pickle, you trying to open pickle jars.
In full swing, my stomach after Mom's dinner.
If the shoe fits, wear it, or just stop blaming me.
In over your head, like when I babysat your nieces.
It takes 2 to tango, like that blender explosion. Yes, you helped.
In black and white, like your list of snack rules.
In the limelight, you at family functions for no reason.
If push comes to shove, like when we split the last fry.
In one ear and out the other, my advice to Raj daily.
Ignorance is bliss. You can't argue with someone who didn't hear you.
In the blink of an eye, like your snacks disappearing.
Woo, that's a wrap. Raj and Asha tackled idioms with laughs, drama, and a few bruised egos.
Do I get a trophy?
Yes, a golden dictionary with pictures.